What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a beat. Now, aside from hip-hop, one of the genres that I like to produce is pop. I love the layers, the emotions, the melodies, and the harmony. So today, we're going to try to make something along the lines of like a Camila Cabello, Halsey-inspired beat. Now, as always, we have some drums, so let's check them out. Here we go. And we're done. Let's check it out. Alright, so the first thing we added to this beat was a piano, and I actually used Nexus for this. I used the default Nexus grand piano that comes with the VST, but essentially that chord progression sounds like this by itself. And by the way, we're in the key of F major. So as you can see, I changed a bit of the second half, and that's something that you can do to your beats to make them more interesting. If you have repetitious parts, just change something, alter something on the second half, and that'll make it a little bit more interesting. But moving on down, we added some bells from XPand. Now, I'll be honest, this VST surprised the heck out of me because I didn't think much of it. I bought it for $1 when Plug-in Boutique had a sale, and I just picked it up but didn't think much of it. And, you know, lo and behold, it's become one of my favorite VSTs. So the bells and the piano sound like this. And that just kind of repeats for the second half. Then we added some strings from Kontact. Now these were the session strings that came with my Complete 11. So this was just to kind of add more of like an emotional, you know, melodic feel to it, but that essentially sounds like this with everything else. next thing we did was to add some drums. Now the kick and the snare pattern that I have sound like this. Now I added a clap on every other snare just to kind of add some accents, but that sounds like this. Now, while I was going through XPand, I actually found this like percussion preset pack, and I added that in here. Now, that by itself, I think it's from the last section here, the multi-timbral, and it's the easy ballad preset. But that by itself sounds like this. Now it's super subtle, something that you probably wouldn't really like necessarily hear, but definitely feel. So together layered on with everything, it sounds like this. Add in some open hats. Then we added some close hats and some crashes, and everything sounds like this so far. Last but not least, of course, we had a bass. Now that bass line was super simple, but it definitely finished everything off, and the whole beat sounds like this. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed watching me make this beat. I know I definitely enjoyed making it for you guys. As always, like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you're not already, but I will see you guys on the next one.